This is the inside of the TV. This TV is actually really good quality. I really like it. It has this metal strip right here. That's pretty nice. And these are the wires that go to your backlight. So I'll be checking that out. And this is your main board and your power supply. So this looks fine. There's no bulging capacitors, anything like that. So we'll take it apart and check out the LEDs. Now on this TV, it's kind of interesting because the LEDs, the ribbon cable kind of goes down here, and it has the connector here. So if that ever gets loose, that could disrupt your LEDs. I think the LEDs are on the bottom here. So it's like a bar TV here, but you want to disconnect these ribbon cables here by pulling up this black tab and then pulling out that. Connect this ribbon cable here. Yeah, this is actually not the best design because this ribbon cable, if it ever gets loose, then the voltage can't get to your LEDs. And I looked at this one over here, and you can see that it is a little bit loose there. You can see the little connectors just above the connector there. So I think that's the problem, is a loose connector, and it could rust in there as well. So that could be our problem. Oh my goodness, it's kind of in there. Just push down. Just give it a little wiggle. There we go. And just wiggle it back and forth. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. Just push down that and push down this one over here as well. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back together now. So we'll reconnect these ribbon cables, and you can actually see there's this little blue tab that you push in, and it has to go beyond that little white part, and then you'll push that down. So that's that connector good. And then this connector will do the same thing. It kind of has this little dotted line, and that's an indicator if it's in correctly. So again, just push it down. Make sure it's beyond that little tab. There we go. And it should look like that. Sweet. I just put a little bit of tape so it's not going to move. I don't want you running around. Yeah, so I don't know why on this TV they have a good, connector here that for the backlight ribbon cable. That's not a problem. But the issue is it's so weird. It goes up here, then it goes all the way down to the back, and it has that bad connector right here. I'm thinking it's because it's a bar strip, LED strip, and it's only at the bottom. There's two sections. There's one right here, and then there's the other bar strip down here. But it's not. You shouldn't have a ribbon cable there, because if you jar the TV, it's going to become loose, and then the voltage, you're probably putting like, I don't know, probably like 60 or so odd volts down there. So over time, if it's a dim screen, it could be a bad connection. Normally I've seen that they have this cable, it goes down and then it goes on the side and then around. But yeah, first time to see this kind of small ribbon cables there. It is working. We're getting the nice bright. And what I always recommend my customers to do is you want to go into the settings, okay? And you want to change the backlight. You see, usually the backlight is at 100%, and just make sure it's down. I wouldn't go over 90, but this will make your TV last a lot longer, because the backlights are at the bottom here, and if one of the lights breaks, just one of them, the whole TV won't work. And almost 90% of the time, I get TVs and they're black screen or dim screen or whatever, purple screen even. The issue is the backlight. And so the best thing to do is, if you use your TV a lot, is reduce the backlight, and that will also yeah, I would also change the mode of the TV to power saver. Power saver mode, and enable this. Boom. You want to enable that, okay? That will make your TV a lot better. Great. So see it on. That's with the light on. It still looks great. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.